Oh.
Actually, nah, I'm barely looking at it, but I'm not sure if it's free.
Oh, it's not. That's not an iPad 10.
Oh, what's
That's either the 7,
Oh, okay.
8, or 9. And yeah, so this is an iPad 9.
Okay.
Yes. There you go. It just has a plastic. You can either leave that or take it off, okay?
Perfect.
And thank you for the food, okay?
Oh, yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
thank you. If there's any issues, all the info is on the receipt, okay? Just
perfect.
give us a call, let us know, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
From Teriyaki J's in the city of Downey. Sheesh. Shout out to them. Thank you, thank you.